Today, we are using the Dumond Paint Removal Test Kit to find the best product for this specific project. Testing is crucial before all removal projects to assure you are using the best product that is compatible with your surface and coating type. In the test kit, you'll find 3 paint removers: Smart Strip Advanced, Smart Strip Pro, and Peel Away 1. You'll also find a pair of gloves, a scraper, brushes, scouring pads, Dumond laminated paper, and citralized pH neutralizer. There's enough product to perform about 10 tests, so you can use it on multiple projects. First, find a small and conspicuous spot on your surface to perform the test. Use the brush to apply Advanced and Pro because of their gel consistency. Apply a thick enough coat where you can no longer see the color of the surface beneath. Apply Peel Away 1 using a scraper because of its spackle-like consistency. Then, cut a piece of Dumond laminated paper to keep the removers in a wet state. Gently smooth out the paper to remove any air bubbles and tape it down. This is a crucial step to keep the removers working the entire time. Make sure you label the removers in case you forget the order. Now we wait. Be patient, check every 60 to 90 minutes to see if the coatings have released from the surface. It can take anywhere from 15 minutes to 24 hours depending on the number and types of coatings that you're dealing with. Over time, you'll see the paper start to change color or texture as the layers start to come up. You can then slowly remove the paper and use your scraper to remove each of the squares. Use the Dumond laminated paper to collect the waste. Then, spray it with water and use the scouring pads to agitate the surface to remove any remaining residue. Once you're done cleaning the surface, you should know which of the removers work best for your project. In the unlikely event that none of the 3 removers removed all of the paint due to the thickness and underlying chemistry, a second application may be required. If more than one remover works, think of it like a traffic light. If Smart Strip Advanced with the green lid works, use this one. It has the friendliest chemistry for the best overall value. Use Peel Away 1 with the red lid if it's the only choice. Now you know which paint remover will work best for your project, and you're guaranteed a successful removal process thanks to the Dumond Paint Removal Test Kit.